Hi everybody, welcome to Cleaning Your PS3. The things you're going to need are a vacuum with like a hose attachment like this that kind of makes it narrower so it sucks harder, so you can get more of the dust out, or you know, you can like narrow it down somehow with duct tape and a straw, I don't know, just to get it narrower. But and then you'll need a can of air. That'll be used later. Don't use that at first. And then you're going to want to have something kind of damp to wipe off the surface. I wouldn't use anything too wet, but just like a very, you know, lightly damp towel to wipe the exterior with. But how I start out is I take the vacuum and I go around all the air vents. You can see all your air vents all the way around the back. There's air vents, and on this side. So go ahead and suck out all those air vents. And then you flip it over. So once you have it flipped over, go ahead and use the hose on the insert tray here. Get all the dust out of there. Pay particular attention to your USB ports. Get in there really good. And then once you're done with that, flip it back over. And what you're going to do at this point, I'm going to go ahead and clean up what I said I was going to do, and then I'll show you the next step. So maybe I'll like fast forward through this or something. Okay, now that you're done with that, go ahead and flip it back over. And what you're going to do this time is you're going to be running the vacuum and the canned air around the vents. So it's going to be like, I'll just demonstrate here. You're just going to spray a little bit. Just get that stuff that might be still stuck on there, which I don't see much on this one. But if you find spots where it's still stuck on in your vents, just, you know, hit them and then hit it with the vacuum. So go all the way around again with that, looking really close to get everything out of there. And then we'll go to the last step from there. Okay, now that that is done, get your lightly damp cloth and clean the exterior of your PS3. Okay, now that you're done wiping it off, go ahead and let it set, you know, until it dries. I'd say an hour, something like that, and it should be ready to go. But yeah, that's how you clean your PS3 without taking it apart. So maybe someday we'll do a video that takes apart the PS3, but it is not yet necessary, thank goodness.